we have 17, 22, 27, and 32, and so on and so forth. 17 is our first term or a sub 1. 17, which is the first term, plus 5 equals 22, which is the second term. Anong ibig sabihin natin? Na anong idadagdag natin na number sa 17 para ito ay maging 22? Of course, it is 5. And now, the second term is 22. So, sa 22, magdadagdag naman tayo o mag-a-add ng 5. So, 25 plus 5 equals 27. And that is now the third term or a sub 3. 27 plus 5 again is equal 32, which is our fourth term or a sub 4. What should be the next term to 32? So kung naobserbahan natin na nag-a-add tayo ng 5 to get the next term, of course, we will also be adding 5 to 32. Will give you 37. So next to 32 is 37. What should be the 10th term? So kung tatanungin natin, what should be the 10th term o yung pang-sampung term, makikita mo from 17 to 37, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mayroon na tayong 5 terms. So, ibig sabihin, maghahanap tayo ng a sub 6, which is the 6th term, up to a sub 10, which is the 10th term. So, ilang terms mayroon dun? From a sub 6 to a sub 10, mayroon pa tayong 5 terms na gagawin. So, kanina na-obserba natin na mag-a-add talaga tayo ng 5 in each term para makuha natin ang susunod na term. Now, since mayroon pa tayong 5 terms na idadagdag, so magkakaroon tayo ng plus 5 times 5, which is the 5 terms na idadagdag, which is equal to 25. Then this will be added or idadagdag natin sa last term or the 5th term na 37 plus 25, ibig sabihin 5 pang term na idadagdag will give you 62. So therefore, the 10th term or a sub 10 is equal to 62. Okay, let us have this next example. 10, 7, 4, 1, negative 2, negative 5, and so on and so forth. So sa example na ito, ma-observe natin na ang first term natin ay 10. Then ang susunod ay 7. Ang susunod ay 4. So the sequence is decreasing. So ang tanong natin ngayon, ano ang i-add natin sa 10 para lumabas o magresulta ng 7? So what is that number? So it is negative 3. So that 10 plus negative 3 equals 7. Yun ang second term. So nalaman natin na magdadagdag tayo ng negative 3 para makakuha tayo ng susunod na term. Let's try sa 7 as your second plus negative 3 will give you 4 as the third term. So ang third term natin ay 4 plus negative 3 na naman will give you 1 as our fourth term. Then 1 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 2 as the fifth term. And negative 2 plus negative 3 equals negative 5, which is your sixth term. What should be the next term to negative 5? So, ganun din ang gagawin mo na naobserbahan mo that magdadagdag ka lang ng negative 3 so that makakuha mo ang next term. So, negative 5 plus negative 3 will give you negative 8. What is the 10th term or what should be the 10th term? So, kung titingnan mo, ang negative 8 ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th term na siya. So, hanggang 10th term, mayroon pang 3 term na idadagdag. So, again, 3 term na idadagdag. So, meron tayong number na negative 3 na idinadagdag natin sa bawat term. So, ngayon, since we have 3 terms na idadagdag pa, ang negative 3 will be multiplied by 3. Ibig sabihin, para sa 3 term. So, negative 3 times 3 equals negative 9. And negative 9 will be added to negative 8. And the result is negative 17. So, yung 10th term natin ay negative 17. Okay, let us have this next example. In this example, you will notice that the numerator are the same. So, ibig sabihin, wala na tayong obserbahang pattern. Kasi meron tayong common numerator. Pero, kung makikita mo sa denominator, the denominator is increasing. From 2 naging 5, from 5 naging 8, ang 8 naging 11. So, yun ang ating obserbahan. Ano ba ang idadagdag sa 2 para maging 5 at yung 5 para maging 8 at yung 8 para maging 11. So, kung makikita mo, talagang magdadagdag tayo ng 3 to the preceding number. Ibig sabihin, 2 plus 3 magiging 5. And 5 plus 3 magiging 8. Then 8 plus 3 magiging 11. What could be the next term to 1 over 11? So, kung kanina maobserbahan natin nag-a-add tayo ng 3. So, 11 plus 3 magiging 1 over 14. So, ang next term natin ay 1 over